Hey, this is CreativeEJ. My name is Josh.
Привет, меня зовут Emma.
Was that Russian?
Yeah.
That was like...
We're making a video on Russian.
Yeah, we're on how to speak English with a Russian accent. And that was French.
In this video, we're going to give you guys the tools that you need to be able to do a basic Russian accent.
Enough yip yap. So now let's go into some of the pronunciation. Like the word Russia. In English, we just say Russia or Russian.
It's a hard R.
Russian. R. You have to roll your tongue a little bit. Some people have a hard time rolling their tongues or can't do it. So if you struggle with that a little bit, try the word dog. How your tongue moves in dog. That will help with the connection with the R and the D of the roll. The Russian. We say Russian instead of Russian. So how do I say Russian? Well, my name is Josh. Josh, Rosh. Dog plus Josh equals Russian. Put it all together. Russian.
Again, if you guys really struggle with the r, just try to keep the underlying D tone first. Don't worry too much about pushing the air through the tongue to be able to get the roll going. Keep with the Russian.
Another consonant that's different is the H, like how. We say how. With the Russian accent, you may say how. You get that in the back of your throat. And if you have a hard time making your mouth make that sound, think of the word cow. Cow. Now mix that with how. Say cow and how at the same time. Cow. 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 And then you will pick up the sound a little bit without spitting on friend. Cow.
So now let's talk about a couple vowels that are pretty common. Ah. The sound in English, ah. You're gonna turn that sound, the ah, into a yeah. So it's gonna sound like you're saying yeah.
Yeah.
So in English, say the word yeah.
Yeah.
Now if you wanted to say something like cat in Russian, start with a C, k. Now say yeah and end with T. T, k. Yeah. T, cat.
Cat.
Now do the CH together. And now say yeah. T, cat.
The cat and the hat. Another one is the E. The E sound in English, like sheep or keep or ibidi.
So the long E kind of does sound like an Iya. E-Y-A. Iya.
For sheep or keep is sheep. Keep. Keep your sheep off my land. So when you put a sentence together, sometimes in a Russian accent you leave off extra words. For example, say you're going to the beach and you don't want to sit on the sand, so you brought a sheet to put on the beach. So you would say, I put a sheet on the beach. But in a Russian accent you'd say,
put sheet on the beach.
Exactly.
There's a lot of different ways to get into Russian accents.
For me, it's a physical change that I'll use, putting my tongue, pulling it to the back of my throat. It kind of does half the work for you so you can start changing voice.
For me, my character, it feels like I'm trying to line up the top of teeth, the top side of teeth, the bottom side of teeth. Jaw almost goes forward and does not move that much. It like unlocks the Russian character within me.
So what this does is basically trains your mind and body from how you normally speak, and it feels the difference of the changing, that it makes it easier to speak in a different way.
We had some requests to make a video on the Russian accents we used in our recent comedy short film. We wanted to provide you with the how-to on how we made our characters come to life.
And if you want to try these accents yourself, record yourself, let us know in the comments. If you like this video, hit like, and of course subscribe if you want more educational or entertainment videos from our channel. Until then, до свидания.
In this video, quiet on set.
Quiet on set, please.
He's horrible to work with.
Thank you. You knew we were rolling. It's fine.
Okay,
It's
that's
fine.
fine.